As your machines get bigger, so does the breakout force. Let me show you why the Rhinox heavy duty buckets and attachments are the right choice for your 20 to 25 ton excavators. Rhinox manufacture a range of buckets and attachments for 20 to 25 ton excavators. These include digging buckets from 18 inch up to 60 inch, an 84 inch grading bucket or ditching bucket, a 60 inch riddle bucket, as well as a range of other buckets and attachments that we'll come on to later. As with all size ranges from Rhinox, the 20 ton buckets are built with a heavy duty construction design. Some of the features of this are, for example, the extra thick side plates on the leading edge of the buckets, as well as the cast side protection, the wear straps on the underside of the bucket, which go all the way around on all the digging buckets. This just adds an extra layer of protection to the bottom of the bucket. Another feature, which comes as standard on all Rhinox digging buckets, is of course the Rhinox bucket hooks. These are attached to the hangers and they just make it much easier for manual handling of these buckets. Obviously there's no chance you're going to be able to lift one of these by hand, so it just means you can line up multiple buckets and pick them up with your grading or your ditching bucket. If you want to know more about this feature, I've done a more in-depth video which can be found on the link up here. As well as the multiple blade and tooth options we can have on our digging buckets. These include the normal cat tip adapters with the pin-on style cat teeth, the standard cat tip adapters with pin-on teeth and a welded blade to this. This does include the gaps between the teeth filled in as well. And of course we have here our bolt-on bladed bucket, which we do keep all three of these variants in stock. Some of the other attachments we have available for the 20 to 25 ton excavators includes the armoured plated ripper tooth, which is a seriously heavy duty design, which is ideal for quarries or breaking up those really hard surfaces, as well as the 60 inch riddle bucket, which is based on the 60 inch wide digging or bulking bucket. This is the ideal attachment if you want to sort through those aggregates and save on muck away costs on site. We also have what's called a multi-pin pickup range. This means that the same attachment can be picked up by both a 12 ton excavator right up to a 25 ton excavator. This is simply by changing the 80mm pins from the 20 ton range down to the dog bone style pins, which can then be picked up by a 12 to 15 ton excavator. These include the Rhinox pallet forks as well as the Rhinox concrete pouring bucket. There'll be more videos linked down in the description if you want to find out more about these attachments. The Rhinox 20 to 25 ton buckets and attachment range start from just £1,400 and are available to buy on our website in the link below. Hopefully now you know more about the Rhinox 20 to 25 buckets and attachments range. As I've mentioned throughout the video, there will be more videos linked in the description below. You're not allowed to do bloopers on this video because it's just me. Standard 60 inch dig. Testing, 1, 2. You never know, I'll get right into it.